Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, something scary happened. There was a little scare when Bitcoin fell under the critical support of 96,000. But in my last video, I mentioned how if we stay below the price of 96,000 for more than 24 hours, then there will be a little bit of sell-off that we will experience. But if we're able to reclaim the price, then there would be no problem, and that's exactly what's happened. As you can see, we're just above the price of 96,000, which helped multiple altcoins actually do really good numbers just in the last 24 hours, and one of them being BNB. Let's just say maybe the meme coins in BNB chain are finally making a recovery. On the other end, a surge in buying pressure for Bitcoin was just recorded on HTX and BitMax, one of the two largest trading platforms when it comes to crypto. Dogecoin shows signs of a potential breakout amid the whale accumulation and positive market sentiment. BlackRock to launch the Bitcoin ETP in Europe as institutions dive into crypto. These institutions is definitely going to be bringing in the next amount of flow of cash that will be required to ensure that the crypto market climbs in very heavy numbers. And China plans to lift the ban on Bitcoin and crypto, and here is when. Before we get into all these important news, I just want to say, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the price action that Dogecoin is following right now. As I mentioned yesterday, there was a very clear trend that we were in a downtrend, but right now this small consolidation phase that we have, just from the past 7 hours has definitely slowed down the downtrend. If we're able to just carry on with this consolidation, as Bitcoin is also going to consolidate above the critical support of 96,000, we do have an explosive result that could be following through very soon. What I mean by that, after this consolidation, accumulation zone might come to an end. There's probably a lot of whales which are panic selling, and there's a lot of whales which are buying or FOMOing into the market. So overall, once either both of them cancel each other out, obviously the FOMO will be much greater, and if the FOMO carries on, there will be a greater chance that we will be seeing another explosive growth from Dogecoin. And another thing is, if you guys are new, you might not know, but Dogecoin does not like to move in slow terms. It just likes to consolidate for a long period or extended period of time and then just become explosive and have a very good growth. So if we're just able to find a little bit of a consolidation zone, the next explosive growth can put Dogecoin back to the initial resistance of 33 cents currently. And I know a lot of you guys are going to be very happy to see that. Now, this news actually took the whole market by storm. China plans to lift ban on Bitcoin. Now, you guys know Chinese ban on Bitcoin was one of the largest reasons why we were facing problems in terms of crypto growing to bigger numbers. While China plans to lift its ban on Bitcoin and other crypto by the end of 2025, this anticipated policy shift could have profound implications for the global crypto landscape. The belief of history of China's crypto ban. So the relationship with crypto has been complex. In December of 2013, the Bank of China prohibited financial institutes from handling Bitcoin transaction, though individuals were still permitted to trade. The aim was to maintain the economic stability. Then the crackdown began in 2017. This led the shutdown of crypto exchange in the country, and the government expressed concerns over the financial fraud. In 2021, China escalated its crackdown and officially banning digital currency nationwide. This sweeping ban driven by concerns over the three critical issues: the risk of financial crime, the potential economic instability, and the lack of regulations. I think now this unban that they are trying to plan in 2025 is probably due to what Trump and Elon are trying to do with crypto. If US is going to be so heavily invested and so heavily trying to, get involved with crypto, China does not want to miss out, and that's probably the easiest way to tell why, after so many years of trying to ban crypto, now they're trying to pretty much bring it into their economy and try to coexist with it. Those are the strong words, but that's exactly what's happening right now. And it's definitely due to Trump showing so much expression and so much interest in cryptocurrency. So China wants a piece of that at the same time. Now, BlackRock is seeking to launch Bitcoin ETP in Europe, capitalizing on institutional demand after its US Bitcoin ETF has 60 billion in assets. And we all know those institutes want to get into crypto, but too scared to just go ahead and buy Bitcoin. They do not know where to store, what to do with it. ETP would make it much easier. It would be just a simpler way for institutions to throw their money into crypto. And let's say BlackRock wants to make sure that they are the way that most of these institutes will be putting their money into it. Talking about the open interest, you can see that's fallen about 10% for Bitcoin. It was about 30 billion and now it's sitting at 27, and the long to the short ratio on the other end is still in favor of long traders, and it's definitely growing. There's a lot of positive sentiments that's sweeping the crypto market, especially Bitcoin right now. Coinbase CEO calls to put all government spending on blockchain. Now, this was an idea that was proposed by our boy Elon, but let me tell you one thing. There is a lot of people which are agreeing with this idea. They want to ensure that this idea grows into a bigger thing. And Elon Musk says the magnitude of fraud in government payment is much higher than you think. And this is eye-opening because, you know, taxpayers' money is being used in a way that majority of the people don't even know where the money is going. So putting it on blockchain will be much easier for, let's say, even a reviewer on YouTube who wants to go into depth in terms of what the government is spending. They will be able to give a more detailed answer. And bankrupt crypto exchange FTX is going to begin repaying the customers on the 18th of February. Algorand looks poisoned for a rebound as TD substantial indicator flashes a buy signal. The majority of the altcoins right now are definitely starting to show a positive trend, which is going to be very good to see what's going to happen next. And Solana, if it holds above this, there is a chance that it might have an upswing nearly to $400. Solana has been doing good. As long as it just goes in the same trend, there's a lot to come. And Hong Kong government recognizes Bitcoin and Ethereum as proof of asset for investment immigration application. Now, if you have crypto and in a certain amount, you will be able to get your immigration applications sent for Hong Kong. So that's huge and incredible actually. And Musk's Doge team now seeks access to Treasury's accounting data. Right now, there's a lot of people which are trying to say we didn't vote for Musk. I mean, this is literally the poster which I'm talking about. And they're not happy how Musk is getting access to so many things. But at the same time, Elon Musk believes that he's doing a good job trying to cut down on the spendings from the government. Other than that, crypto is doing well. The way Trump and Elon and the trade war is going to happen is going to be playing a very crucial role. This is no financial advice. I just like to give you guys my opinion. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.